welcome to my channel. This is my first video in English. I accidentally deleted my intro and my outro, so I'll be making a new one. You'll probably not see me like in this outfit again during the whole video. I make videos about story time, lifestyle, everything that has to do with me. I'm very random. I hope you like my video. This is a vlog of a week with me. I'm almost dying. I feel like the soul is being sucked out of my body, but I gotta keep going. So, on my last stretch, then I'm going to the beach. Top of those rocks, but I don't know if I'm gonna make it because the tide is pretty violent. Is it the tide? I don't know. I hate stepping on these green things. They're very uncomfortable. I hate the texture of them. It's like seaweed, but not like seaweed at the same time. Okay. Step. What are these? I know you're not supposed to touch wildlife, but I just touched it. Whatever it is. I wish I had someone here to record me because this is going really badly. I didn't expect this to go this bad. But I think I'm gonna go home. Actually, I'm gonna check for the bus. Talk about change of scenery. I'm gonna try to talk really fast and really close to the microphone because there's music in the background and I don't want to be copyrighted. But basically, I just got my hair done and now I'm gonna eat at a restaurant and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna eat. And I hope I actually use this and not voice over it because the music is pretty loud. Next day, I was not able to film a lot in the restaurant yesterday because of the music that was playing in the background, and we're not about that copyright life, so that's why I didn't continue. I'm gonna bake chocolate chip cookies. To make the chocolate chip cookies, you're gonna need butter, sugar, brown sugar, vanilla, baking soda. I got baking soda, flour, chocolate chip. It's chocolate chip is this? I have to make brown sugar out of my butter. Brown sugar. I have to make brown butter out of my butter. I am gonna make brown sugar. Why am I saying brown sugar all the time? I'm gonna make brown butter out of this, which basically you're just gonna let it like boil a bit, and then when it gets brown, you take it off. I don't really like it when it gets too dark. The butter, yeah, the bits in the bottom, we're pouring that too. Apparently it's supposed to get flavor. If I'm not looking at the camera, pardon me. I'm really sorry. They're trying to. And I am going to use this Nutella jar thing as a measuring cup because I don't have a measuring cup. There's actually a measuring cup and I can't find it, so we're gonna work with what we have. That's a huge blob of sugar. I'm gonna take a bit of the butter and place it in here. It is what it is. Now I'm gonna get some white sugar. Only a little bit. Little bit. It's supposed to be at room temperature, but sorry, it wasn't. So it is what it is. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, almost spilled it. Vanilla. I am not gonna measure this. I'm just gonna eye it out. I don't want a lot of vanilla. And then she said to add the baking soda on top of the vanilla so that it activates or something like that. Yeah. It's not at a weird consistency. Like, it wasn't like this. But anyways, now I'm gonna add in the flour slowly. Flour, you're supposed to mix the flour with the chocolate chips. Is this too much? I think it's ready. Look at that. Looks like cookie dough. And it smells so good and looks so good. But what if it's not ready? I'm pretty sure that I did something right. They're a bit toasted for my liking, but the next batch is not gonna go and stay in for as long as this one was. But I love my cookies. They look so cute. I cannot deal. I'm gonna take this parchment paper off and I'm just gonna put a new one and let this cool. Yeah, I'm just gonna put it here. Look at this cookie. Yeah. I can't get over the way they look so perfect. Just look at it. Just look at it. This is basically what my week looks like, honestly. It's very random. I usually go to the gym, sometimes I don't. I find whatever I want to do. This is the bomb. Went to Primark and I just got this organizer thing and I found it to be very cute and very easy to organize my things. Yeah, it won't open completely because I have something in there that's kind of too big and I think I'm gonna take it out. But basically, I placed all of my concealers, eyeliners, lipsticks, what is this? Primer, up here, and on the bottom I have my eyeshadow palette. Here I have my serums, things for my face, setters, and I have my brush, and here's my cream, my lotion, body lotion, and yeah, this is basically what I have to show you guys. I hope you liked the video. If you liked it, don't forget to comment, subscribe, comment, and share. I think I said it in the wrong order, but yeah, thank you for watching. Don't forget to follow my Instagram page. Bye.